Okay, we're going to skip number 8. I'm just going to have you do that. We do it the same way that we just did number 7. So I think you guys can handle that. Let's look at number 9. It's asking us what set of ions is formed when this compound dissolves in water. So remember that when we put something that is ionic or aqueous into water, putting AlNO3 into this is water. Now let's do this. There we go. It's going to break up into its ions. And what that means is we need to figure out what the charge is. We want to know the charge on this. And we already know the charge on our nitrate, right? Because we memorized those. So we already know that for every 3 nitrates floating in this water, we're going to have 1 aluminum. And then what's the charge on our aluminum? Well, aluminum has a set charge, but if you didn't know it, you would just look here at this little guy right here, this 3. Well, let's highlight him. So remember that we pull down charges. So if we have Al and we don't know what the charge is, we have NO3. We know that's a negative. We put the -1 here, so it gives us a 1, which is good. We have a 1 here. So then if we have a 3 here, that by default means that this is a 3+. So when these fellas over here break up in water, we get our NO- and we get our Al3+. Those are our ions. So we want to look at the ratio as well, and we know that for every 3 nitrates, so let's see, every 3 nitrates, we get 1 aluminum. And so our answer would be D, because we get 1 aluminum 3+ ion and we get 3 nitrate ions. So pay attention to the charges. For example, this charge, let's do red. This charge is wrong. So you know it's not that right away. And we know that when ions break up, they have a charge. B doesn't show any charges. It just shows the elements, right? No charge. So that's wrong because we need a charge because these are ions. And then here we see that it has the wrong charge because we know nitrate is a 1-, and it's also written incorrectly. See, compare this one, NO3 2-, even though it's the wrong charge, to this one. This is written as an ion, whereas this one is written as how it would be written in the compound up here. So that is also wrong. And that's one way you can do elimination on the test, is you can look, let's erase all this. Let's pretend we didn't have any of this. You can look at the answers. So when you're looking for an ion, you're looking for charges, and you're looking for the correct charges. So, okay, this one has the correct charge, but this is written wrong. So you can cross that off. This one's straight up written wrong. There are no charges. And then this one has the wrong charge on aluminum. So that's kind of a hard one to catch, right? You want to make sure you know the charge on aluminum. And then this one has the correct charge. So we know it's D because this one has the wrong charge. It's written correctly, right? It's got our ions. It says that it's a 3-to-1 ratio with our nitrate, but it's got the wrong charge on aluminum. So we know it's not that guy. Oops.